How do podocytes form the kidney's selective filtration barrier? Imagine tiny foot soldiers lining the blood vessels in your kidneys, working tirelessly to keep what your body needs and block what it doesn't. These special cells are called podocytes, and they are key players in filtering your blood. They form a crucial part of the kidney's filtration system, which is part of the urinary system. Their job is to allow water, salts, and small molecules to pass through while stopping larger molecules like proteins from escaping into the urine. Podocytes are shaped like starfish with long, finger-like extensions called primary processes. These processes branch out into even smaller foot processes called pedicels. These foot processes interlock tightly with those of neighboring podocytes, creating narrow gaps known as filtration slits. Think of these slits as tiny screens that let small particles through but block larger ones. The slits are bridged by a special structure called the slit diaphragm, which acts like a molecular zipper. This zipper is made of proteins such as nephrin and CD2-associated protein, which form a tight, zipper-like barrier. It allows water and small molecules to pass but keeps larger molecules like proteins out. Beneath the podocytes lies the glomerular basement membrane, a dense layer of extracellular matrix. This membrane acts as an additional physical and charge barrier, helping to filter blood further. Podocytes attach to this membrane using integrin complexes, which are like anchors that keep them in place. Their foot processes contain contractile elements made of actin and other cytoskeletal proteins. These elements help podocytes maintain their shape and respond to blood flow and pressure, keeping the filtration barrier intact. Podocytes also play an active role in cleaning the filtration interface. They use receptor-mediated processes to remove proteins that might clog the slit diaphragm or the basement membrane. For example, they use the Fc neonatal receptor to transcytose and clear immunoglobulins, preventing buildup that could impair filtration. If podocytes get damaged or their proteins are defective, the filtration barrier becomes compromised. This can lead to protein leaking into the urine, a condition called proteinuria. Over time, this can cause kidney disease and even renal failure. In summary, podocytes form the kidney's selective filtration barrier by wrapping their foot processes around glomerular capillaries to create filtration slits. These slits are connected by slit diaphragms made of specialized proteins that control what passes through. They anchor to the glomerular basement membrane, providing structural support, and use contractile elements to stay stable. They also actively clear proteins to keep the filter working smoothly. This combination of structure and activity allows podocytes to regulate the ultrafiltration process, ensuring essential molecules stay in the blood while waste and excess substances are filtered into the urine.